A little different, as you can see here. This isn't like a auto staking platform. I'm going to show you just some simple indicators on TradingView. Now this is CRO/USD. Simple indicators to add to a chart if you are swing trading, day trading, whatever you want to call it. So the way these indicators are going to work, now the ones that I have on here is the Chandelier Exit right here, this first one. And I have MACD, and I have RSI 100 and RSI 25. So I actually have 4. So this one down here is kind of together. Bring it up a little bit. It's going to squish the chart, but that's okay. Go like that. Okay. Now, these signals are not super accurate. They're not like 100%. I'm going to show you how to tell if it's a good signal or a false signal. You don't want to be taking a trade on a false signal, but there are ways to eliminate that. But then again, it's crypto, nothing's perfect, and you really don't know which way it's going to go. So let's kind of back it up here. All right, so right here, so it says buy, right? Okay, yeah, you know what? Okay. So what you want is in this line, you're never going to get in on the perfect candle, okay? Is the RSI 100 and RSI 25 to cross, as well as the MACD orange and blue line to cross. If those all don't line up, it's a false signal. Don't buy or sell. Just sit and hold. And again, if you make the wrong trade, you sit and hold until you break even or you go up or you go down, whichever, long or short, whichever way you're going. So, all right, so here, crossed, didn't cross in the MACD, right here, no cross, don't really do anything, right? Let's go here, sell. No cross on MACD and RSI, do nothing. This, and again, this is just my personal advice on how using these indicators. Depends on your trading budget and what you're trading with, okay? Let's go this one. Look at that. Perfect line across, orange and blue, and right at the bottom there, a little bit of a cross. So, yep, you would buy on this candle, and you could ride this to the top. This is the 30-minute chart. So the price is 56 cents here and 57 there. So it just depends on what you want to do, right? We can go to 15-minute chart. I already have some lines in here. It's going to look a little weird. So let's go back to the 30-minute chart. That's a little bit better. There we go. Okay. So you can see like not much. This is a 30-minute chart, so not much going on here. I would kind of ignore all this. Yes, there's going to be some signals in here. Let's go. Let's bring this out a little bit. Let's go here. What happened here? Yep, so cross and across. Again, you're not going to get in on the perfect candle. You would buy in. Okay? As you can see, the lines crossed. The histogram changed to green. And down here, you had a cross as well in the RSI 100 and RSI 25. So now let's look at this sell signal. Look at that. Cross and cross. Cross, histogram turned red, as well as the pink went down and across the black line to the RSI 100 and RSI 25. So the black, which is the RSI 100, and then the RSI 25 went down through it in a downwards motion. And these two crossed and their histogram turned red. Positive sell signal, and you can see what happened. Right? So now you would just wait for the next signal if it's going to rebound and for a buy signal. So let's back it up even more. Let's see. I mean, you get the gist of it, right? Like trading is crypto, nothing is perfect. Let's go here. Let's go for a buy. Little late, you would have gotten in here, and then, I mean, depends, right? What you kind of consider. This is the 30-minute chart. So let's look at the sell signal here. There's a cross a little bit later, but you would have been a bit late. That's okay. Let's look at this buy signal right here. Now, a little bit different situation because the RSI here crossed here, but MACD crossed a little bit back. So this would have been a little bit tricky, but again, you're never gonna get in on the perfect candle. So I would have bought in and then just kind of rode this up over here and then sold. Let's take this to Bitcoin. There we go. Because you kind of need a good swing to make it worthwhile. So the buy signal didn't happen till here, but it kind of crossed here, so kind of a little bit of a false signal there, a little bit of confusion. The sell signal, look at that, across and across, right here and here. You would have sold, and then look at it go. A lot of, like, this is a little bit of sideways movement, buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't know if I would have done anything in there. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just me. I would rather take a bit of a bigger swing and hold and like buy low, sell high, right? Look at here. No, other than you would have followed the signal right here, which kind of getting in right there where RSI 25 and 100 and MACD crossed. So you would have bought in here. Look at that. Bam. So let's go here. Let's see, 44,000. I mean, you technically could have rode it all the way here. A little bit of a kind of fake out there. To 48. So 44, 588 to 48, 100. Good swing. You can really see the blue and orange line crossed, and then bam. Lots of buys and sells signals in here. So this is March 19th. Wouldn't really have done much other than maybe. So yeah, there's a cross on the RSI there, and the MACD. So then you would have bought and you would have rode that. Or it just depends on how many days you're looking to hold. You could have bought March 18th and sold up here March 22nd. So it's actually not that far, not that long to hold. But yeah, there is settings on these. I'll do another video on the RSI 100, RSI 25, how to set these indicators to get the proper signals. You just want to eliminate false signals and eliminate like candle, like wicks, like bullshit. Like it is crypto. It's an interesting market and interesting world there. But if you are into day trading, swing trading, these are the best indicators. You know, if you take $100, take it 500, you take 5,000, you take $10,000, and you start swing trading it, you definitely can make some money. So with that, I will end the video. I'll leave all the indicators down below, and yeah, have yourself a good day and go out and make some money.